Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word proposing. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. He was nervous, but determined when proposing to his girlfriend on the beach at sunset. Proposing in this context means asking someone to marry you in a formal way, typically with a ring and a declaration of love and commitment. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.